Lumhaja nukori kimngamgamge
DJ
Kagame. Yes, I'm coming. Abanyapa bo mu Rwanda ntibamenye ko arapana inyuma y'ukumva inzara zakuragira abasabaza Kagame. Kagame. Abanyapa bo mu Rwanda ntibamenye ko arapana inyuma y'ukumva inzara zakuragira Kagame. Ubwenge ni bakame bise rap itabire mu kuguru kwa Van Damme. Rap ni madame gira ndabadame gira ndabaye ikizame kibananire makaba vugene same. Long night respect. This is the challenge, no hate. I'm the best rapper in front of the debates. I wrote these bars where you niggas masturbate. Kina kyaba rapa banyonye purinze apeti. Nani nguvu binsaba gukosora abo apeti. Sindabahusha.
Umva urakubitwa wagije umuriro ariko kuzimya biri buze kugorana. Ngira ngo ni JK arya. Uravunika ibintu ukoze winjiriye abaraperi bose uva ku muntu ugera ku munini bo mu Rwanda kandi urabizi ko bararenze cyane. Uravunika n'ubwo wakoze boro ya danje, wakoze boro irimo ibiswahili by'Ogereza wahondaguye ndetse wakubisemo na beat ya danje nziza wahondaguyemo. That's so good. Ariko abantu winjiriye intare
N'abafise bose muri target naza guterura intsinzi namwe muterura impegeti. Yesu ko basuzugura ntimurapa murasura ntimugire ikinyabupfura. Sishaka ko munyishura kuko inyandiko nki na hamwe mugikura. Mfise ishuri ndigisha karibu ibujumbura. Bifesi yari bisura none ubu haje binya. Mbega murakugwa niki ko mporotse kumutinya. Bagize kiva juru takindi bose batinyi. Wahigeze distract subira kugira ikinya. Nyuma yo guhera mu rugo nabakubita distract kandi nkabikora tanzigo mondu nyundo. Lisinga gusumbara ngira shire utugo. Nari umusumza kurapa mu Rwanda no mu Burundi. Nikutatemera ifate ku mutima nakundi. Baramaze kumugaba gitwi wakajya n'utuhundi. Abacayi bagira mukinira Dortmund. Sina n'ikinyeba mutanziba nange. Natanguye gushuha rera amatwi ni mubange. Mubize neza kugira ngo ntibiba cange nanje mu gikora barapangira ndabakarange. Hari itandukaniro ry'u Burundi na Burkina Faso. Abafanzi mwegerozi n'abatarukiza kwa maraso. Wemberemera ko kuri rino tangazo maze muramuzi fata wunda tari so who the fucking legend. That's the thing I can mention. Nukuri mvuze yuko utabizi no bambeshe. You are the king but unaniwe kuyobora nation. Takana abapeti rero babanze bagukomeshe. Bega byahindutse kari kwari wewe bari imbere. Ukuye remix afunde twakugiruza mugwe na ele. Rap yawe cyarakuye wagira ni veru uheruka hiti butera Rolex atana bumubere. I'm not celebrating your time but what you just say on the roof. No hard feelings bro, I'm just saying the truth. Itaje niba kwenda ugituriza masabufi ngoma zawe zisoroka nk'umuzuzi wa Yusuf. Yo, so I'm joking, right now my gun is cooking. I'm ready to smoke you up and fuck you up until you choking. Kiss my ringi guru, talking my pia kumane hina boya shoki. Mr. Nanti na wora jino kino waisi kwa nubo wa wuni roki. Kira budoge, yuko budanya wena chitemu sinagoge. Kunyihanga na karoge, fisi mistari nga manzi naze yoge. Mugira kushobora kuba the best, tuninze gufata drog. Nakumanze muri game, it's been a decade. But you still hold the mic like you tryna suck a dickhead. All your songs in love with all the songs we had. If you wanna smoke with me, hit that booth, I'm not afraid. Yo, name the focus, cool speeding, join a Lucas. I couldn't be zara puta yoto manu visa besine na tokas, cool Christmas.
Uravunika ibintu wakoze ntago bibaho. Ibintu wakoze winjiriye abakoboye nk'ubu na Buda wamwinjiriye. The first rapper ngira ngo uryoshye uhawe iminsi muri kino gihe. Ngo kumva hip hop uzabagumva Vesdine na Dorcas man. Na hip hop ngira ngo zihari za danje zatezwe igihe kinini.
Umaze kugira goosebumps, nigga scoop ass up this songs about mama kana toothpaste no this yo kiri gitsinda uno makano tanya pushkas. The kuri movie sumbania is Kevin, but real talk is a one of my favorite. I like his hustle, vibe in the basement, keep it doing your shit. Hadi lyrics na biren, how to rap Kiswahili utatokaje kimataifa. Weza kutoa kichezea kama tunapocheza FIFA. Unavuta mibaki utasema dogo wizi. Utafuta sifa. Kama nataka kurap hivi mdogo wangu jitume. Chosa sana kili badala ya kuchosha uume. Mimi yule rapper Mungu aliyefanya mtume. Sifa wa rapper cha kwanza ni gurume. Sindi Kendrick akubita track gusa. Tenda bakubita mwese nkabakubita muri gusa. Umestari nishi lenzi noti za Mansa Musa. For me nkoresha ni piripiri ukwaga ni susa. Bitch straight muri Kinyabyoto. This is a big day like you just hit the lotto. Because I mentioned that you are about and getting global, but I don't think so. Music has put up to the auto. Let's go straight to the bushes though. If you think you know how to rap, nigga, no you don't. But I like your shit, you funny though. You been a nice fucking clown in my kingdom. Kid from Kigali, stop kidding. If you think about laws, nigga, keep swimming. To this topic, there's nothing we can discuss. Saying you disgusting, you can press on disgusting. On this mic, the music is not selling. Your whole career is like a fucking time wasting. Where's the difference between a metro and the metro booming? Before they try to name next time, please call me. You don't look straight, you looking gay, homie. Kuya kugana kusura yawe with your chicken, homie. No better money party, no tomato mu matati. This is a dead shot, kuri kene play shot. Murapa ari soft cyane gusumba umugati. He's the shooter who always miss his shot. Rush the first and ndamurya nka breakfast. Ngo get niwe nyena rapper no sense.
Eki ngo breakfast uramurya nk'aka breakfast aheruka bwe ni iki cyoroshye cyane kenika ishadi aroroshye nk'umugati ariko ashaye umuvandimwe no urakubiswe itegura imishari tega ikibuno baguhondagure tega amatwi bakurabure ibintu koze nubwo ibintu biri dombo ariko warabuye n'abantu by'umwihariko ariko wakoze abantu winjiriye fakre
I can end up your career one burn what saying, but I don't have time to work, so please, who's next? Get under my chatty maka, I'ma did the black, I that motherfucker, I didn't do come, I did the right. Kuko mbona rap sinaka, ariko naragafata, if I was not for him, better quit this fight. Mubwana ndiye kuba Kagame wa rap, mwe kuba hifashanyo mukanyita tuna Trump. JQ nigga ninka kiri yani Mbappe, utahizamu nashitse migori kwa zio trap. Ndamwita umukuru w'ibirara, gutsindwa n'uruhinja muri bato n'umaramara. Uraza yukuri hejuru cyane ku
CEO uramwinjiriye. CEO araguruma yatsinzwe n'uruhinja ze ntabwo byari byarangira. Ntabwo aramutsinda amurushijwe nk'uko yabivuze ariko ibindi araje amurabure ntabwo yamutsinze
munara kumbe uri hasi y'ikibuno kigiye kunyara fata uri kapu shakugira ishavu ugende kuri mikro hamure kuri ubucafu kumpafu I'm skillful don't play for bavuga ko nawe nutitse pefu I give you what you ask for without any info you can't be a rival I'm a sort of evil even wanna be evil don't touch my info bitch ass nigga. Try to write a price with Swahili na English. Now kiruti leta kipuri. Leta kupanish. You ain't got nothing special about the bunch of rubbish. I just killed this motherfucker.
Iswahili n'ibyo Iswahili n'ibyongereza abandi bo ntabwo babisi ntabwo bakura. Byose birarenze.
And the hits finish. What's up this with Mateo? This one about what zero says this in the bush. I can't keep on no music. I'm saying my dick like a best I can show it. But please you agenda so it. Why would you get tender for it? Almost you want to when you can get a kind of one. When you get time to give for Israel. Taru kona gira ni chumana wanje Ismael. Imani taru kumu mara jika Gabriel. Na gira ndamu tobore ngurushinge nutobora Sambrael. Na satana ruvino desa kavuga tuno mana ntandero. Arikaba cyana ku misteri yandikiye mu isengero. Naje simu bitaragatima mwembero. Ushima ndi mubi ndagucugutwi yeza bona nyeta Petero. We murapa kumwana kiraba ma cartoon. Nanje kuri street banyita umu tycoon. Wara moves zianza kutina na keep your own. Game changing it's been updated coming soon. Nicole Palmer ndabatwaye muri freezer. Namurapa kwa jamu sunda fire man in a pizza. No chance kuri karonde who's
wabasumba gute fireman wapifa koboy wakuru abasumba gute na region man
and go wig up domino kunda ya Jay Squeezer. Murapataza kushi
Jeskizo zewe indaye ntabwo yazana budomino man arakwisha ndahena
Mazoba is stupid uko ndabakoreye promo ngaha mu Burundi ndase muri pop nka Chris ukoresha plan B ngadani na nono
none se uratanga promo guturatanga promo wewe ufite ari ikibugu ufite gikorerwamo boro za danje kuri ugiye kubafasha ibyo byo wenda cyabarabuye ari sekirisize nyine yabivuyemo uramubaza iki kurapa byara mu munani aravuga ateka nje kwishakira ibiceri wenda byo n'ukuri mwihorerera ntago ari umurambere he don't know some hip hop culture ibyo ngibyo nta nubwo ari bubyiteho cyane, ariko Krizizi kurapa byaramunanira aho atega nshaka ibicera abona abamanager baramubwira ati ibishegu no gukiramo abagobwa babahenera ngira ngo nibyo byagumuga ati Dani nanone nawe nyine yahise abigenza kuri aravuga ati impogo ndabona yego mugiga sha
Gaya ni Dani Vumbi Big up kuri kivumbi king Nanuma musumza kuzakuja kuvumbi swingi Nakwemera sha utoze ndaguhe pichiringi Kandi ni kubuntu sinzo gusaba ni shiringi Hangwe yavuze bamushetsi
Vumbi ge uramuhaze urapa ku muntu ufite ikimana
Nosanga tsabe mare manwe nako nanga papa changwe
Papa changwe ngo ntiduseremane Manuel
Atari nyuma iturapa byose jewe ndabifata uko kwituma This rap muri hip hop make it look simple like boxing with Jekpo Kagame ni your example They wish they had a flow like mine They can't beat me Even if they can combine You can't compare Eminem to 6 and 9 And fuck your levels and the big name they can't assign Female rappers nabo ngira ndabarigate Itapata zabanza kubasiga mate Fifiraye na
Reze abarambere kazira bashaka kubinjira cyangwa bakaba bihorera bavi umukobwa yajaje byadanje uyu mukobwa ariko uruva rw'amasasu de abazine bano baruze urabazi urabavuza bavuze nabi ariko wakoze igero cyadanje no mugaritazi nawe mugaritazi this track that is a big this track ntabwo banake nizimwe za Tupac na
abakibona amadoze date mubyate duhuye niyo subira muri date all my respect kuri all the posse she did what she could she's about to bring the posse her career is huge and the catalog is massive but no for hip hop song and pen game is not impressive Angel Muchoni you gotta beat us the problem is that you ain't got no big nyash you're so underrated but your talent is unmatched some of the songs I've heard swear to God you went hard I was going to talk about Tricky, but I remember
Tricky baramuhoze nawe baramuhoze Tricky
she doesn't know I guess looking for classes somebody send her my address my name is hard to spell G-O-A-T I hope now you know me well Get a Jackie corner sheets a KGL kandi you confess a big size
Noreze ko uri kubwira ngo urango jange ngo waje se iyo dikize nicyo kintu wumva kikuzanye se Noreze niwe muntu wumva wiyaminiye ku bantu bafite amadigi manini gurya ariwe umuntu wese wahise uvuga ngo niwe uje kureba niwe wiyaminiye uterura ababoro bafite muvandimwe
You guys are not your average. You had you skimming knowledge. You this one to get my damages to never up with the garage. I think it's time to take back one set for Jack Party to pay homage. Rest in peace.
Urabizi yangize ngo urashaka kuzana ubugoryi umuvandimwe na rest in peace. Kumwubaha byo abari imbere. Mukaritazi yakoze track yandanje.
Ana batukujyama kuko mutama nashitse ndagukanga bikabucanga kuba buhinga buhanitse n'abantu koze gatimulazi zinopeziraje n'uburozi zirabuze cyane nk'umusozi kandi nigenda bikora cyambazi ngenda bisi ndagutereka panisha fashe maki banyeta musafa ngo mpana utinyo bafata bapinda mugakira swasa swara swasa amazi tatu kabatuza kimuze best badanya kula pasi mira mate sozi boys in a diplomat bapinda kwenye karte kizanwa mukiri kuri blast here we go this war is lyrical not political represents as frozen fires here we go don't take it personal this is a digital represents the shaking and mukutenga meko kula bumesi ndabarutana ngo pafara kudira kukuta bara kumi kula makufu mafitura zibura zizakuri mira kukutena kwenye ndana kama mekete ntafukuta nikimozele bele kwa zongera mwagira mena ngira ndikire pafara bele tamo de focus for bele zolo movement no fere na mega chama chama mbono kuni ngani kwa mtu bari kitu ngeti ngara kwa mtu kwa chini na into the journalist no bumuni kwa tse bele ngora de ngene kwa ngene kwa ngene kwa ngene kwa ngene kwa ngene hariho igipede cyitwa Dumba uyo nimukigire kikabanya uyo nzije gusumba rekana nawe basigire
ariko urapfuye
bigira ikiguzi ariko bavuga tundi umuntu nitumuzi amateka yanje mzoya batesmaye kwa mfunzi
arayazi
with the rap stage
JQ
gang
uravunika ahubwo uravunika ntabwo biri buze ntabwo byakorohera ndakurahiye ahubwo uravunika ibyo kubaza mwadafunze se